Hello students, welcome back to another session. Today in this session we will discuss one more very important question, that is system of linear equation. Previous videos we have discussed system of linear equations solving by elimination method for 2 marks. So today we will discuss the same type of a question if it is a comes for 4 marks using a graphical method how to simplify. So we will study that. So let us begin with this concept. So let us begin with the first example here. Example number 1. Solve graphically 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 is a one equation. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is another equation. So using graphically we have to solve it. This particular question it will appear for 4 marks. So very sure question it is. So let us begin with this concept. So we have a two equation. This is the first equation. This is the second linear equation. First linear equation I am going to write a y solution. So I am going to write once again 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 is the one equation. Another equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 like this. So then write a solution for a y. So here y I keep it in a LHS. This minus 6 I transport it to RHS, we are going to get it as a plus 6. Plus 2x I transport it in a RHS, we are going to get it as a 2x. So like this. So then we tabulate two information from the inputs of x and y here. So two values are enough here. Minimum two values are required to draw the graph. So I am taking different values of a x and we will calculate corresponding y value. Very simple technique it is. Okay. So x we take it as a 0. I am going to take x as a 0. 0 into 2 0. 6 minus 0 we get it as a 6. In the next step I am going to take x as a 1 here. 1 into 2 2. 6 minus 2 we are going to get it as a 4 here. So taking x equal to 0, y equal to 6 we get it. Taking x as a 1, y we get it as a 4 here. So if you want you can take one more value corresponding to this. So if I take x equal to 2, yes, x equal to 2, 2 into 2 4, 6 minus 4 we get it as a 2 here. So these are the three values we are going to get it. Similarly, from a second equation, we want to write a solution for a y. First equation it was very easy. So just we are transporting terms, other terms to RHS, we got a value of a y. Here, not like that. Y, it is associated with a 2 number and it is associated with a minus sign. So first we will make it as a positive value by sending minus 2y to RHS. So very simple, 4x minus 4 equal to 2y. Then we will observe that y and 2 both are multiplied here, transporting 2 to a RHS. So multiplication it will become as a division. So we are going to get 4x minus 4 divided by 2 equal to y. So then we tabulate the information. Minimum two informations are enough to draw the graph. I am taking input value as a 1 here. So if I take 1, x it will become as a 1. 1 into 4 4. 4 minus 4 0. 0 by 2. 0 we are going to get it. Similarly next take another value. I am going to take it as a 2 here. X as a 2. 2 into 4 8. 8 minus 4. 4 we get it. 4 divided by 2. 2 we are going to get it here. So these are the two tabulated values. Minimum 2 are required. Maximum you can do any number. So now taking these values we need to draw the graph. So we have a graph page. So using that we'll do it. So dear students, you can see this is a graph. So before beginning this, just I will give the introduction about what is mean by a graph and all these things. In a lower classes, you have studied this. Graph having four quadrants. First quadrant, both are positive. Second quadrant, minus plus. Third quadrant, minus minus. Fourth is a plus minus. Our tabulated values are, dear students, you will observe that. So x, y, it is having the values 1, 4, 2, 2. This is the first equation. Actually, three values are there. Two values are enough. Second one, we have x, y. It is 1, 0. It is a 2. So, dear students, you will observe that x is 1, y is 4. Means both are positive. Both are positive means it will come in a first quadrant. X is 1. Here it is. Yes, you will observe that here the values are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. And similarly we will observe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now x equal to 1 here it is. X equal to 4 here it will be. Yes. So both they will meet at this point. You can see here. Okay. They will meet at this point. This point will highlight it. Next, x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. X equal to 2, y equal to 2. They will meet at this point. Okay. So then, using the scale, we need to draw a graph. So we are going to get a graph in this way, like this. So did you see this? Okay. So one more line we have. So the coordinates you will see. So x equal to 1. Y equal to 0. X equal to 1 means it will come on a x axis. X axis. X equal to 1. Y equal to 0. It will come over here. Next point, it is a 2 and 2. X equal to 2, y equal to 2. So here, x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Already this point is there. Once again, using a scale, we need to draw a graph here. So like this, we are going to get. So this is a intersecting line. You will observe that one line, another line, they will intersect. Where they will intersect, that point, it corresponds to some x value and corresponds to y value. So this point, it will correspond at a where x equal to 2 here. Therefore, x equal to 2 we get it. And y corresponds to 2 here, y equal to 2. So most of the students, they will draw the graph, they won't write x and y value. So now the procedure completes here. So what is the procedure? We have to recognize at least 2 points from the first equation and the second equation. After that, we have to draw it on the graph. After drawing, where they intersect corresponding x and y value, we need to write it. So this much of a solution, so you will get easily 4 marks here, right? So I hope you are understood this question. We'll move to one more example based on this concept. So let us begin with our second example. Second example is example number 2. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Like this. The procedure is very simple. So, from a first equation, we need to write a y solution. But, dear students, we will observe that here the y it is associated with a negative sign. So this is the reason we need to transport minus y to RHS, will make it as a plus. So we get x plus 1 equal to y here. So y we get it as a x plus 1. Taking minimum two values, we need to draw the graph. So here we take x as a 1 value. Simple values we need to take. X as a 1, 1 plus 1, 2 we get it, y equal to 2 we get it. So next we take it as a x as a 2, 2 plus 1, 3, y will become as a 3. So minimum 2 points are required to draw the graph. We have studied in the previous example, the same procedure we need to use it. Here also for a second equation, so we need to write a solution for a y. The procedure is very simple. So y coefficient, it is associated with a plus sign. Then remaining two terms we need to transport it to RHS. The procedure is very simple. 2y equal to minus 12 transporting plus 12 plus 3x transporting minus 3x we are going to get. Very simple. Now we got a solution for a 2y, not y. Okay. So then write a solution for a y. Now 2 is multiplied with a y, transport it, we get a solution for a y. So y we get it as 12 minus 3x divided by 2 it is. So now minimum two values of a x we need to find out to draw the graph here. So input is x value, output we get it as a y here. So here x we start with a 0. So take values in a such a way that you should not get a decimal. So for example, I am not taking as a x as a 1 here. What is the reason? So if I take a 1, 12 minus 3, it will become as a 9. 9 by 2, it will become as a what? So decimal here. So those decimal representing and so getting a sharp values, it is a difficult here. So take a sharp values. Sharp values means we need to take a positive integers here. So I am taking here 0, 2, 4 like that. So that easily it must be divisible here. So if I take x as a 0 here, 0 into 3 it will become as a 0. Dear students, we get 12 minus 0. 12 divided by 2 is a 6 here. So this is also input is an integer, output also we got it as a integer here. Next, I am going to take x value as easily it should vanish. Means I am taking x as a 6. So 6 into 3 like that. Different values we need to take it. So let us begin with the value 4 here. It should vanish here. 4, 3 is 12. 12 minus 12, we get a 0. 0 by 2, we get it as a 0 here. Like that. So easily we can get a solution for this one. So input is a integer, output also we got it as an integer. Decimal, the simplification it will become a difficult. So here, one more thing we will observe that here x is a positive, y is a positive. Both are positive here. Here also positive. That means it lies solution in a where it is a first quadrant here. The solution lies in a first quadrant. Already you know the quadrant and what is their respective sign here. So first, second, third and fourth quadrant. So here we observe this will be the 0, origin it is, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here it is a 10. Here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 values are here. We will observe that x equal to 1, y equal to 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. X equal to 1 here, y equal to 2. Both they will meet at this point. Represent the first value. Next, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. This also comes in a first quadrant. X equal to 2, y equal to 3. It will come over here. So So with the help of a scale, you need to draw the graph. So extend it in both the directions. So this is a representing first equation like this. Then second equation here corresponds to these four values. So this is the first set of a value 0, 6, x is a 0, y equal to 6. Means x coordinate, the value is not there, only y. Means the point lies on a y axis here. X equal to 0, y equal to 6. X equal to 0, y equal to 6. The point will lie on the y axis. Similarly, next point is x is 4, y is 0. Y vanishes here. That means x corresponds to, it is a 4. That means y axis is upset, x is 4. It lies on the y axis. Y equal to 4 here. Y equal to 4. Then, with the help of a scale, join all these points. So here both the points they intersect at this particular point here. So now we need to represent corresponding x and y axis. So corresponding x axis value is 2 here, x equal to 2 we get it, and the corresponding y value is 3, y equal to 3 here. That is the solution of system of linear equation. One more thing, dear students. So you draw all these things. So sometimes comes in your mind whether I have solved it properly, correctly or not. Then here is a verification. Using a verification, you can find out that whether it is a solution is right or wrong. So here we got x equal to 2, y equal to 3, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Take any one equation. First equation is very simple. So here it is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Substitute x as a 2, y as a 3, x equal to 2, y as a 3 plus 1 equal to 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1, 0 equal to 0. So we'll observe that LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the solution is right here. So like that. So 4 marks question it is. If you verify it, you get a confidence test. So one more example on this concept we study it now. Example number 3. The statement is solve the following system of linear equation by graphical method. It is equation is x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. It is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So this is the equation. Now we write a solution for a y. Y, it is a negative sign. So to make it as a positive, we transport y to a RHS. We get x minus 1 equal to y, or else y equal to x minus 1. Yes. Then take two values. X, we take it as a 1. If I take x as a 1, 1 minus 1 0, y equal to 0. X, we take it as a 2, 2 minus 1 1, y as a 1 over, like this. So these are two sets of values, and dear students will observe input values are positive here. Therefore, the solution lies in the first quadrant here. So one more equation we have this. Try to write a solution for a y step by step. Plus 2x, transport it, we get a 3y equal to 12 minus 2x. Now 3 is multiplied with the y, transport it, so it will become a division, y equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 3 here. So 2 input values we need to take it. So we take x as a 0 here. So once again, I will tell you that take values of x in such a way that we should get an integer here. So answer we should get it as an integer. If I take some other values, if I take a 1, 12 minus to 10, 10 divided by 3, the solution is not an integer, decimal it is representing it will be a difficult here. It is not like an impossible, difficult it is. So try to take a simple, convenient way. So easily you should get a values integer like that you should take. So I am taking the first value as a 0. 0 into 0, 12 minus 0, 12. 12 divided by 3, 4 we are going to get. Okay. So next, so it should vanish. So 2 into what number it will become as a 12? 2, 6 are 12. So I am taking the 6 here. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 3, we get it as a 0. So like that, take a values in such a way that so easily we can represent on the graph here. Once again, come back to a graph here. So you know all the basics. Now, our input values, you will observe that all are positive. I have not taken a negative. So it is a very simple, very straight question it is so that's why. So here it is a x-axis 0, the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 here. So we get a first value x as a 1, y as a 0, y coordinate is 0 means it lies on a x axis, x equal to 1 we are going to get. Here is a point first. Next, second point, x equal to 2, y equal to 1, 2, 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So it will come over here, so we will represent that point and with the help of a scale, so extend it in both the direction. So we are going to get this type of a graph over here, like this. Very simple, dear students. So first line is over, second line, x equal to 0, y equal to 4. X axis is 0 means the point will lie on the y axis. We get a y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. So here is a point, y equal to 4. Next, so x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means it lies on a x axis. X equal to 6 we need to take. X equal to 6. Then with the help of a scale, join these points, extend it in both the direction, below as well as the above. Now, dear students, will observe that it will intersect at this particular point. And so this corresponds to x-axis. So that will be the x value. So we observe that x value is a 3 here. And this corresponds to y-axis. It corresponds at a 2. So we are going to get it as a y equal to 2. Okay. So like this. So today in this session, dear students, we have studied that system of, that is a pair of a system of linear equation representing on the graph using the graphically how to obtain solution and verification also we have studied. This is a very sure question for a 4 marks. So many questions you can find it in a NCERT, you can practice it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.